smile and play. We'll draw something new every day.
Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Create. Today, we are drawing something super fun and easy, Stitch-inspired mobile phone. But that's not all. There's more fun waiting for you. Stick around because I have a cool fun fact about Stitch to share. And I've turned this exact drawing into a free coloring page just for you. You don't want to miss it. Did you know Stitch speaks a special alien language called Tantalog? But he can also say a few words in English, like ahena, which means family. You're doing an amazing job. Remember, it's okay if your lines aren't perfect. Mine aren't always either. That's what makes art fun. Now that our phone is drawn, it's time to bring it to life with colors. And here's something exciting. This exact drawing is available as a free coloring page for you to download. The link is in the description below, so don't miss it. Can you think of another character you'd love to turn into a phone? Maybe Mickey Mouse, Elsa, or even a superhero. That would be so cool. Wow, You did an amazing job today. Don't forget to download the free coloring page linked in the description. It's the perfect way to color this drawing as many times as you like. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids Create for more fun drawing adventures. See you next time.